To prevent a chimney fire, the chimney needs to be maintained regularly. Part of the maintenance would be to sweep the chimney. It's also preferable to be burning the fuel in the correct manner. One of the biggest problems we have with chimney fires at the moment is people with wood burners that are burning wood that isn't supposed to be burnt, in as much as its moisture content is too high or it's not been seasoned long enough. The wood is actually holding sap within it. If it's less than 20% moisture, the wood is suitable to be used. If it's above 20% moisture, it isn't. So if the tar builds up inside the chimney can catch fire. So the two main things to be aware of to avoid a chimney fire will be to sweep the chimney on a regular basis and to burn the wood and use the appliance correctly.